Super crunchy and yummy chin chin with only 4 ingredients. I'm using flour integral, 0 fat, fat free. Let's get right into it. If this is what you are interested to see. 1,000, and I will be showing you also how many cups you can get, in case if you are measuring your own with cups, because this is one of the questions I normally get. How many cups do you get from a kilo? So this is the first cup, second one, the third one, fourth, and the fifth. Can you see? In 1 kilo we got 5th cup or 5 cups from meat, 1,005 cups. So the first ingredient I'm going to be adding to it is this sugar, which is the first ingredient. Egg, second. Baking powder, the third. Mash drink with salt. You can also use butter, but make sure it has salt. So rub it together like this. Wash your pans and use your pans to finish it. Rub it until it's perfectly smooth. So I will use water to bind the dough. This one is 0% fat free. And if you also want to skip the frying, I will be telling you what to do before the end of the video. This one is mainly for a personal or when a special customer requested for it. When you are making for commercial, use all-purpose flour. For those that is really running from getting fat or not to gain more weight, this video is mainly for you, and I believe it's for everybody also. So you can use this film paper to seal it, or you use a clean nylon like this. I will allow it to rest for 20 to 30 minutes. I will cover it and I will put it aside. After 25 to 30 minutes, it's perfectly okay. I'll go ahead and clean the surface. Sprinkles a little floss on it. You can go ahead and roll it once, but I'll portion it into 2. I'll use my rolling pin to flatten it until it's perfectly light to the way I think I desire it. Make sure it's very light when you are flattening it on the surface. Can you see that the color of this integral is quite different from the normal all-purpose flour? If you are not a lover of sugar, you can as well reduce the sugar also, because sugar also contains fat. Feel free to help me to share this video. Don't you think it will be helpful to so many people? There are so many people that desire to eat chin chin. They love chin chin. They are a lover of chin chin, but because of fat, they always find it difficult. But this video is for everyone. And I know you will thank me later after you have given it a try. And to all my returning subscribers, you guys are wonderful and amazing. From the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you all. And if today is your first time coming across this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Turn the notification bell, the old and the new, so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified, and we'll upload this soon again. Please feel free to help me to share this video in all your platforms. Like the video, leave a comment, let it go viral. So I am done with the first one. I'm working with the second one. So I have started preheating my oil. And if you try yours, let me know in the comment section how do you see it. So I will first of all put some drops to see if the reaction of the oil. I can see that the oil is fully ready. When you are frying, start with a medium heat for a few minutes. Just keep stir frying to make sure that some part is not fried and while some part is unfried. At this point, I have started working with a medium heat. Before it will get dry, make sure you finish it with a high heat to avoid it from soaking oil. At this point, it's ready, guys. Oh my God. You cannot believe that this chicken is made with only 4 ingredients. And it really tastes good. Oh my God. So I'm going to repeat this again and again until I am done. So this is the second one that I am frying. So if you watch up to this point, you are the best. Thanks so much. Please remember to share, like the video. So I am done with the second one. So this is how I'm going to finish the left one off camera. Please let me know what you think about this video. So in case if you want to also skip the oil, instead of frying, put it in a baking sheet and bake it. You can use 250-degree very hot in baking. It will give you the same result. Guys, just look at it. Look at the outcome of it. So you can package it in any airtight container or something, a zip paper like this, a zip bag like this. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye bye.